Hello viewers, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Terry and I'm basically an ex-forex trader, or let me say forex is like gambling anyways, but let me say I've been trading forex for so long. Like many others, I struggle with finding capital, and if I have capital, I just don't have that confidence. Like there's something in me that does not tell me to put a lot of my money into forex trading, because forex is, you are always winning and you are always losing. And there's a saying in forex trading that the best money you are going to make is the money that you keep, right? So that's why some people are saying that sometimes knowing when to trade is so important, right? Because you make money, and if you feel so confident, the next trade you take, you might over risk and then you lose money. So, and also forex trading, I'm gonna say a disadvantage of forex trading is it has a lot of scammers out there. People feeding on, I call them marketers, right? When you go online, you see somebody's turning $200 to like $10,000, or $10,000 to $1 million. I think that's completely unrealistic, because also the statistics says that majority of traders will lose money over time. So what really makes you think that these people are real, are legit, right? And also one thing too that I noticed is that I think lately I've seen like these forex gurus online. They have millions of followers, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and they'll say, oh, how to grow a small account, or how to turn $50 into, how to really trade with small capital. And what they will always do is they will always lead to like a broker, or like a how do you call that thing, prop firms. Right now it should be clear to us that there's a lot of scam. Now nobody wants to help you in this journey. If somebody is doing something, they always want it for their benefit, right? They always want to make money off you. So they will end up selling a prop firm, or they'll end up selling a brokerage that when you sign up, they'll be like, oh, they are giving you this percent when you deposit this. And these people make money off your commission when you click the link below, or when you go through the prop firms that they are advertising, or the brokerage that they are advertising. So we have to be aware of that, right? Majority of forex traders that you see online, they are there to get your money. And if they say they know how to trade, they'll be like, okay, buy my prop firm. Some of them have prop firms. Just imagine, prop firms, the main goal of prop firms is to make profit. If you're buying their prop firm, how are you going to withdraw money when their main goal is to take your money? So it's an end game. It's like a dead end, right? So I want to say, stop trading forex and start investing in dividends ETF, right? And another thing is that these people, they clearly literally sell, like, okay, if you are so profitable, why are you selling a subscription or mentorship, or buy my course? I'm going to sell my course, and some of these courses are monthly, right? Imagine somebody selling you course, like for example me. I come on and say, okay, if you want to trade forex, I took this trade and made $200 today, or how to easily make $100 every day. There's nothing in the market that is secret. Everybody sees the market. There's no blueprint to enter the market. If you want to trade the moving average course, you can do it. There is no information that I know that you do not know, right? So you can watch one video on YouTube, that's fine. You even know how to trade. It's all about discipline. It's all about you coming to the market and you trading. Yes, you are going to take a loss. Yes, you are going to take wins. But my main goal, or the main thing that you should be focusing on, is you know yourself. You know how you trade. You know how to manage your capital. Somebody telling you that I'll teach you how to trade, I think that's bullshit, because you cannot pay somebody to teach you how to trade. That means they are basically making money based on your money. So they make money and you don't make any money. How can you pay money for someone? How can you pay money for someone to literally teach you how to? It doesn't make sense, right? You'll be buying the subscription, you are paying $199 every month for somebody. Maybe you are buying signals, maybe you are buying, let's say, a course. What are you going to learn in that course that you haven't seen in the market? the double top, double bottom pattern. Well, what are you really going to learn? So I think it's time we grow up. It is time we to make real money. It is time we actually start thinking. Well, it is time we start thinking straight. It is time we start thinking that dividend investing is the right way to go. Put your money into stocks, put your money into an ETF, put your money into an asset. If you want to make money, you can buy land and then you can grow your own fruit, you can grow your own food, you can sell that food. That is how you actually make money. To pay someone monthly to be in their program, to be in the part of the community, for them to hold your hands, I think you have to know who you are paying your money for, right? Who you are paying to mentor you. People who are advertising, they are driving a Mercedes Benz, they are driving a Lamborghini, they have a Range Rover. I mean, think about it. That is just marketing. People market all of these things. There's a saying that if you really want to make money, true wealth, it doesn't show. If I have gold chain that costs 20k, how is that gold chain that costs 20k make money for me? It doesn't. But if I put my money into an asset or into land, into something that is appreciating over time, that makes more sense. That will grow more than me putting my money into a chain or into a car that depreciates over time. That means people buying to you, people showing you those flashy things. I think they are just it's marketing, right? They are just telling you that, look, maybe if you join my program, you'll be driving this vehicle as me. And it's always like, for me, it's like Christianity, where you have these pastors that are so rich and all of their people going to church, they are always coming, pray, man of God, help me, God is gonna bless me. It doesn't work like that. How can one person be so rich and so many people are buying a mentorship and paying subscription and then they are not rich? Why every student cannot be like the master? So we are all equal. There's nothing that anybody knows online that you don't know. And when somebody wants to sell you a course, make sure they are also showing you their, let's say, their track record, right? They have their brokerage statement. They have, maybe they have been trading since, what they say, if they have been trading since 2020, they have to show you their account. This is how much they are making. This is how much they are withdrawing. If not, do not buy. I've already fallen for a lot of scams. The last scam I fell for was a guy called Javier something. He was selling this platform, this prop firm. He has his own prop firm. Just imagine, how is he gonna lose if he has his own prop firm and you have to pay monthly into his prop firm about $300? That does not work. That's just an easy way to lose money. If you are going for those people, don't fall for any scam, don't fall for any flashy nonsense. If you want to trade forex, if you want to get a mentor, make sure that mentor shows you proof. If not, I advise you to start dividend investing. I'm a dividend investor, guys, and I'll say leave forex and be a dividend investor. What does it look like? Every day I have a specific amount that I put into my dividends ETF. I'm not flashing anything. I don't even care. I don't even look at the chart anymore. I just know that what building wealth is silent. Building wealth is slow. In 5 years time, guys, I might be making over hundreds of thousands in that ETF because I've put it in there and allow it to grow, allow compound interest to work for me. As I was saying, guys, when you put your money into an asset, you don't need to, no stop loss, nothing. And in over 5 years, you already know the estimate amount of money that you are going to make, right? In maybe 1 year, how much are you going to make? Is it 5k? In 2 years, is it 10k? If you want to put 10k in 1 year, you just edit your investing, your investment. Yes, it's sad. It's a sad reality, but making money is slow, it's simple, it's easy. It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to know anything more than anybody. It only takes consistency, it only takes hard work, and it takes discipline. That being said, guys, I'm enjoying the wind in this environment. and I'm so proud to be alive. It's a good year to be alive. As you have seen, this is a new beginning. I've shaved all my hair, shaved everything. I'm clean. I'm not going back to putting money and withdrawing money from my brokerage account. No more withdrawing money from my brokerage account. No more pausing. I'm not pausing until I'm sick or something. No. As long as I wake up every day, I can go to work. But to put $18 into my account is not going to be a headache for me. So that is just automate itself. And I know in 2 years time, in 3 years time, in 4 years time, I'll be in a very good position. That's what consistency means to me, and that's what I want to share with you guys in this my journey. With that being said, guys, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay disciplined, stay consistent, and stay invest, or let me say keep investing. Peace out.